How can I be a course creator? Becoming a course creator involves several steps, from planning and creating content to marketing and managing your courses. Here's a general guide on how to get started. Choose your topic, select a subject or niche that you're knowledgeable and passionate about. Consider your expertise, interests, and the needs or interests of your target audience. Conduct market research. Validate your course idea by researching the demand for similar courses, identifying your target audience, and understanding their needs, preferences, and pain points. Define learning objectives. Determine what you want your students to learn or achieve by taking your course. Create clear and specific learning objectives to guide your course content and structure. Plan your course content. Outline the topics, modules, and lessons you'll cover in your course. Organize your content in a logical sequence, and consider incorporating various teaching methods and resources, such as videos, slideshows, quizzes, and assignments. Create your course materials. Develop engaging and high-quality course materials, including video lectures, written content, presentations, worksheets, and exercises. Ensure that your content is informative, easy to understand, and visually appealing. Choose a platform. Decide where you'll host and sell your course. You can use online course platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Coursera, or you can create your own website and use plugins like LearnDash or MemberPress. Build your course. Use your chosen platform's tools and features to build and upload your course content. Customize your course page, set pricing and enrollment options, and create promotional materials. Market your course. Develop a marketing strategy to attract students to your course. Utilize various channels and tactics, such as social media, email marketing, content marketing, SEO, paid advertising, and partnerships with influencers or affiliates. Launch your course. Launch your course with a compelling offer or promotion to generate initial interest and sales. Monitor your launch performance, gather feedback from students, and make any necessary adjustments to improve your course. Provide support and updates. Offer ongoing support to your students, such as answering questions, providing additional resources, and addressing any issues or concerns. Regularly update your course content to keep it relevant and valuable. Scale your business. Once you've successfully launched your first course, consider creating additional courses or expanding your offerings to reach a broader audience and generate more revenue. Remember that becoming a successful course creator takes time, effort, and persistence. Continuously seek feedback, refine your courses, and stay updated on industry trends and best practices to enhance your skills and grow your business.